Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota. Today we're going to talk about the new body style for Plymouth that struck the country by storm, and this is really a good story. We'll tell you all about it in a minute. Well, greetings from the sales floor of Ellingson Motorcars here in Rogers, Minnesota, the place where we have close to 100 collectible cars, everything ranging from muscle cars to street rods to classics are all on our sales floor. You can look at all of our stuff at our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars.com, where you'll get all the information on what we currently have in stock. Today we're going to talk about what they always kind of refer to more as a gentleman's muscle car, simply because this is the Belvedere model car, but it's the GTX. And this GTX has an interesting story in the fact that it is a survivor. It shows a little over 34,000 original miles. For the most part, original paint. I think they said they did touch up the bottom quarters a little bit to get rid of a few rock chips and a few things like that. But for the most part, this is an original car. And the nice thing about GTXs is they came with lots of extra bells and whistles, if you will. A lot of the road runners didn't have power steering, power brakes. They didn't have the extra doodads that make for really interesting cars, and this one has lots and lots of them. As I said, it is a 440, high-performance 440 engine, original to the car. It's got the blacked-out hood, which is correct for the GTX. 150-mile-an-hour speedometer. I don't know if you should be out there testing to see if that goes that high, but it is actually what it came with from the factory. Beautiful chrome, beautiful original chrome, nice paint. Like I said, the bronze metallic, that it is its original correct color. Does have the Fender Tag as well on the inside here on the driver's inner fender, so it proves that this is actually the car and how it was ordered. Interesting note on this particular car, because people look at it and say, well, it's missing a headrest for the driver. Guess what? Whoever ordered this car new decided they didn't want the headrest for the driver, and it is a delete option. So this probably makes this a one-of-a-kind car in the real world of muscle cars. Of course, it's got the rally wheels with nice radial tires now, all, again, in really nice condition. A lot of the muscle cars came with a vinyl top. This is the original vinyl top on this car as well. We have a lot of the paperwork on this car that goes with it as well. You know, you've got the classic bucket seats. It is an automatic. It's got the automatic transmission with the factory tachometer and factory AM radio as well. And again, the interiors on these GTXs were a little bit more stepped up from the standard Roadrunners, Belvederes, whatever. It's got, you know, a lot nice extra amenities on the inside. Of course, dual exhaust and all the GTX emblems on the side of the car, so you know if you came up next to this car at a stoplight, if you were thinking of drag racing someone, you'd take a look and go, ooh, 440, I better really think this one through before I do it. Like I say, it's a really great survivor. Lots of paperwork to go with it to prove it. Beautiful color. Paint is really nice. Interior as well. And the underside is absolutely rock solid. So if you're looking for a muscle car of this sort, you can find it, as I mentioned, on our website at www.ellingsonmotorcars. You can find it on Facebook, YouTube, and Instagram as well. Make us a favorite. Lots of interesting stories. Lots of things that you can learn about our inventory and cars that we've had in the past. Or the best thing, if you're in the neighborhood, we are open, and in Minnesota, we are open all year round, Monday through Friday from 10 until 5, Saturdays 10 to 4. So come on down. Love to show you the car in person, and I think you'll be really happy if this is what you're looking for, if be it your first muscle car or one that you need to add to your collection. We've got it right here at Ellingson's.